Welcome back, and today we're going to talk about what happened to the charger. So let's go over what I've done, and then let's go over what the mechanic has done. So what I've done is new battery terminals, because these were rusted out. And then in the last episode you saw me put in the new starter relay. That's brand new as well. Coming over to this side, we got a new fuel filter, new spark plugs, and new wires. So all this part is for the most part new. I bought a new ignition. I don't need it, so that's the old one that has been with the car. The reason why my car has been frying parts left and right is because of this piece. So if you see this four prongs, 1, 2 are resistors, and well, it's supposed to resist the power. If you go over to this side, we notice this part right here. This part, or this piece right here, was not in my car. So whenever we put a new distributor cap and all that, it would just fry the pieces. And that's because the resistors were not doing its job very well. This piece wasn't even here. So that explains why my car wouldn't even start, wouldn't even run. The mechanics also fixed how rich my car was running, because it was running very rich of gas. So they fixed it, they tuned it, so now it's not running super rich anymore. Besides that, that's about it as far as engine wise. Another thing that has finally been done is I got all 4 new tires and rims on. So previously I was just running it on the front 2, because the back 2 rims, they came in dent. But now they are all in and they look pretty good. The only thing that I would say is I wish that they were black. They're so sexy. So I'm about to install the new headlights. This is the conversion kit. But first, we have to unscrew all these headlights here, take them out, put the kit in, and then put the new ones on. This is where the fun begins.
Next level. Next level.
Even if I wanted to use the same light and then I couldn't get the other ones in. Now I can't. Great.
Welcome back. Future will narrating this. So one of the things that you're going to need for the headlight project is a simple Phillips head screwdriver. I just have a different size bits because I just got the whole kit for Christmas and I want to use it out. So when you're taking off the headlights, you're just going to be taking off brackets that attach to the housing. So how it works is the housing is behind the headlight, and the headlight just kind of fits into the housing, and then from there the bracket just goes on top to hold the bulb in place. From this point, I want to put the halos in, but because of the halos, they don't fit into the housing because they have two round parts on the back. They just don't fit because they're aftermarket headlights. Another reason why I decided not to go with the halo beams is because I would have to redo the entire wiring, which I feel like I could do, but just by me wanting to get new headlights in, it's going to have to probably be something way down the road. For now, I just put the high beams back in, and I went to O'Reilly's and I bought the low beams for now. They're not LEDs, but they're due. I also ordered low beam and high beam LED headlights. As of me recording this video, they have not come in yet. So when they come in, I'll go ahead and film myself putting in the low beams and the high beams. Other than that, it's actually kind of easy. All you have to do is just take it off, put the new ones in. It's a very easy plug and play. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Besides that,
Also tried to put in
it.
the halo LEDs. They didn't turn out so well. So what I did is we're going to return them, or I'm going to try and sell them on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. And I just went to O'Reilly's and I got these lights for now. I did buy some LED headlights, but until then, these will have to do. And these will be my backup pair.
Hey guys, I just want to thank you so much for watching the video. If you could, like for the YouTube algorithm, comment what I should do next down below, and also subscribe so that way you never miss an upload of mine. I also want to go ahead and thank the sponsor for this video, which is myself. It's my t-shirt company. I've been working on it for the past year or so, and the best way to support me is just by going on the site and buying any one of my t-shirts. If you want this hoodie right here, I even put this hoodie up on the site so that way you guys can buy this one, which I wear a lot in my videos. Other than that, it's 2 a.m. when I'm finishing editing this video. I'm going to go to bed. Other than that, peace out, Girl Scouts.